here we are. We're in the Market parking garage in downtown
And the
Roanoke.
door close button works. And get ready for the famous view.
There's such a high hydraulic.
Insanely high. Yet no one called it because they arrow lit up when
Wait
he
a
pressed
minute,
the button.
both of them were just lit up.
Yeah, it does that sometimes.
We all know what an impulse looks like.
We all know what a Roanoke looks like.
We're stopping.
I'm one. You know what? This is a good place to swap to the other elevator.
It is. Let's go do that. Well, actually, no one's
Fire
here.
alarms are going off.
Uh-oh. Wait, whoa.
See the blinking lights?
The fire alarm is going off, actually.
But the elevator is not being recalled.
No, we're...
Interesting. This is good content.
It's weird. Let's go up to one and we'll switch elevators.
Fire alarm's going off in the Market garage. Are they going off down here too? There's not even a strobe or anything down here.
Something was blinking up there.
I'm pretty sure that was the alarm.
There's a lot of Dover impulses where this is all the rise they'd have. This one goes
Yeah.
up 6 more floors.
I'm pretty sure that is the alarm. It is the alarm.
The fire alarms are going off.
Interesting. Well, let's go ride the other one.
We are in the Market parking garage. There's the rear elevator. Look at this. Fire alarm's going off. But we can still ride the elevator.
This is the back elevator now.
This is the one with the great motor. There it is.
It's a
Alright.
Dover.
Jared, do you want to hit the button?
Sure. Set up on top.
Alarm's not going off down here.
They must have just turned it off.
Let's do this. This elevator runs so nice.
It's a little off level.
If you look down the shaft, you can see the jack on this one very easily.
Oh yeah. There it is.
You can clearly see the jack.
Of course it's focusing on the door track for me.
Maker of the best hydraulic elevators ever.
The original hydraulic elevator.
a nice view.
Yes. We're stopping.
Can't believe someone's getting on the elevator.
Going down?
Yes.
The alarms are going off on this floor.
After you.
Thank you.
You want to go ahead?
Sure thing. I'm gonna do your video with us.
Alrighty. And that was
Here's Chris,
the.
and now he's gonna ride back up.
Go right back up.
And that's it.